Welcome to the last video titled Monitoring via SNMP. In the previous video, we monitored via NRPE. In this video, we will install the Nagios SNMP plugins and then define some SNMP checks using SNMP v2. In addition to using NRPE to collection data, Nagios can also collect data via SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. This is especially useful for monitoring network equipment like routers and switches, which often have SNMP agents built into them. Now let's see how to do it. Install the Nagios SNMP plugins using sudo apt-get install Nagios SNMP plugins. Define some SNMP checks using SNMP v2 and add these lines of code. Cool. Now let's go in detail and see how it works. Our example here assumes that you're monitoring a network device that already has SNMP enabled. Additionally, it must use the community string of public. If you wish to use a different community string, then you'll need to replace public with the correct value in the preceding example. Each of the check_SNMP_star commands that we use here are defined in USR share Nagios SNMP plugins config SNMP_star.cfg and use the scripts installed by the Nagios SNMP plugins package. You can look at the .cfg file in order to determine the correct order of arguments. Unused arguments can be left blank. For example, memory usage check_SMP_meme_v2, which is defined by USR share Nagios SMP plugins plugin config SMP_mem.cfg. Reading the preceding setting, you can see that the first argument is used right after 2, use SNMP v2, which itself doesn't take any arguments. Argument 1, instead, can be used for passing arbitrary options. Argument 2 defines the warning threshold. Argument 3 defines the community string. Finally, argument 4 may also be used for specifying arbitrary options at the end of the command line. Superb! In this video, we monitored via SNMP. Here we have come to the end of the section. In this section, we first installed the Nagios, then added Nagios users, after that added Nagios hosts, then monitored services. Next we defined commands, after that we monitored via NRPE, and then finally monitored via SNMP. Interesting, isn't it? In the next section, we will be mapping your network. See you there.